It's PROPtober! Well, hey everybody, and welcome to week 5 of the PROPtober giveaway. In case you haven't heard, I've been giving away Gemfan bi-blade propellers, some big, some small. You're gonna get some carbon fiber ones, roughly around $70 worth, but basically as much as I can cram in a box and send it to you. If you want to enter in this giveaway, leave a comment below with the hashtag PROPtober giveaway on this video, and you can enter on YouTube and Instagram, but you can only win on one or the other. And then next week, I'm going to pick a winner from Instagram and YouTube. And the winners of week 4 PROPtober giveaway are, from YouTube, Christie Watson. Congratulations, Christie. And Instagram, Ben FSDR1 from Instagram. Congratulations, you too. If you're one of the lucky winners, email me your full shipping information at RCwithAdam@gmail.com and I'll send those props out to you. This is the last week to enter, so if you want to get some free props, great for planes, maybe okay for quads, be sure to check the description below for full details on how to enter this giveaway. You really should enter this giveaway because there's like nobody entering this giveaway, so your chances to win are like super high, so you should do that. Thanks for subscribing and following along on Instagram. I do appreciate you. Be sure to leave a comment below. I hope you win, and I'll see you next time.